Hi! In front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and continue in Autofill with Google pop-up. Lastly, hit this blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, my sweater and all of those features turned gray. That means that Autofill is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same sweater again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!